Hey bro, how was your nap?
Good. How was your past 3 hours of life?
Good. We should probably start working on that video now.
Alright, I'll get this stuff. I just can't pull myself away. I just can't stop. I just can't stop.
It's a good song, bro.
No, really, I can't stop. Help.
Wait, are you being serious?
Do you think I'd do this purposely? Now no one will take me seriously.
I think you're lagging, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Is this like hiccups or something? Did you try holding your breath? Laughing? Swallow air? Hyperventilate? Try drinking water upside down.
That did not work at all, as you can see. You are not very much help to me.
Have you ever heard of the magic unicorn jumped over a hill, broke his leg, and while laying there had his liver stolen?
What?
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thanks, I guess.